Hey y'all, my name is Ann and welcome to my channel. If you're like me and you don't like trying on clothes in the stores, or if you've always wished you could have your own personal stylist, then let's do a Wantable unboxing together. Wantable is one of those styling boxes that they send you once a month or however often you want to get it. You pay $20 for a styling fee to fill out a quiz online to give them size, if there's anything special that you need. They send 7 items. You've got 5 days to try them on, decide if you like them or not. Keep 5 or more items, you get 20% off. Also your styling fee, no matter what, your $20 styling fee will be applied to whatever you purchase. If you don't want to purchase anything, if you want to send whatever you send back, they provide a postage paid envelope for you. Okay, let's look and see what I got in my box this time. First thing is, these are the Absolution High-Rise Short in Light Blue Vintage by Democracy. And they are a cutoff short, very cute. I've got the raw edge and they have some distressing. I think these are really cute. This says Absolution, featuring slimming panels constructed to mold and hold and boost your assets. Okay, we'll see. This next thing that I got, High-Rise Utility Short in Persimmon by Democracy. Cute. Raw edge again. Curve equality. Engineered to lift, expand, and enhance for a universal fit. So, those are very cute. I like those shorts. Next, I got a pair of jeans. These are the Mia Petite High-Rise Fab Abs Skinny and Above. I am not a petite at all. I've got long arms and long legs, so I don't know about this. But also, I got some jeans very similar to this in my Stitch Fix box just the other day. So I really like those, but I'm pretty sure petite's not gonna work anyway, and too similar to my other ones. This is the round neck sleeveless button down top in olive by Staccato. That's really cute. It's got a nice stretch. I don't think I've gotten anything from Staccato before. Next is the Burnout Tee in Azalea by Lily Mason. Cute. I like a burnout top. That's very cute. Okay. So far, so good. And this is the tie-dye short sleeve tunic top in orange by Hayden Los Angeles. This feels really good, really soft. Oh, it's got the, I don't know what you call that, I can't think of it. It looks a little big, but, well, maybe not. It's a small, so we'll see, but it looks a little big. And then last, I got Slim Passage Sandal in Sky Blue, and I cannot pronounce, I don't know. We'll just have to look, but these are really cute. I could have used these at the beach. Actually, I could have used all of it at the beach a few weeks ago. All right. This looks like a promising box to me. I like everything except probably the jeans. And I really need shorts, and I like these shorts. I like both of them. So I will go try them on and we will see what we think. Here's the first outfit. I really like this. I really like these shorts a lot. And I really like the top. I'll tell you, I had a hard time getting this bottom button. I had a hard time getting it unbuttoned, and then once I got these on, I couldn't even get it buttoned. It's just too tight. The button's too tight. But I do think these are super, super cute. Show you the back. But I don't know if I could. I don't know. I'll have to work on the buttoning and unbuttoning the button and see if I can get it loosened up a bit somehow. I think they're really cute. I like the shirt too. I like the top a lot. But this is the first look. This is the tie-dye tunic in orange. It is too big and it's a small. Another thing I was going to show you on these shorts is that they've got pockets. They are really deep pockets. Go down almost to the bottom. But this shirt, I'm not even sure I would like this shirt in an extra small if they had it. I just don't think I do. I don't think I like it. So anyway, still thinking on the shorts, still gonna work on the button and see what I can do. But this is a no. Okay, on to the next outfit. The high-rise shorts and the burnout tee. I like the t-shirt. I think this, it's got the cutout little slit over here, and it doesn't, is it this side? This side doesn't lay like I would want it to. It does have pockets. I think they're really cute. I also wonder if, wish they were a little longer and I could roll the cuff, but you can't. I can't roll this cuff. They would be too short, and then also I think this kind of prohibits that as well. So here's pull the tee out. I think it's a cute little tee. We'll just have to see how much it is. But I like the color and I like the style. So okay, I've got one more to show you, and it's the jeans, and we'll see if they fit. Okay, let's do a quick little recap now with the prices. I haven't given you the prices yet. The Democracy high-rise shorts in vintage blue are $64. I like these. I just wish I could tweak them just a little bit. You know, I don't know. Well, I really want some jean shorts. I don't have any. And this is really everything about these I like, but except for the way they, I don't know, I didn't like the hem, and I didn't like the way it kind of flared out at on the right side. So I'll take a second look at these and see what I think before I make a decision on that. This tie-dye short sleeve tunic, I actually picked this out. This was one of my requests, and it's too big and I don't like it. I don't even think, this is a small, and I don't even think an extra small. I don't think I would like an extra small. So I think I just don't, I'm just not even considering this. And it is $54. It's by the high-rise shorts by Democracy. I really wanted them to work, and they still might. But this bottom buttonhole, I mean, I can see the difference in the top and the bottom. The bottom one's just too small, and when I got them on, it was impossible. Before I tried them on, took me a while, but I could maneuver them. I love these. I don't know, I'm gonna have to see about the button situation and see what I think, because I would love to keep these. I think these are really, really cute. They are $64. All right, jeans, petite. I couldn't even pull them up. The crotch was not gonna make it. I'm 5'5", and like I said, I've got long arms, long legs, and so there's no way a petite in any size is gonna fit me. And okay, this little burnout tee is $42. It is so soft. This I really like. I like a lot. I probably will keep this. This is the only thing for sure that I will keep. And last, I like this too, and I like the way it fit. The round neck sleeveless button down top in olive is $38. Pretty sure I'm gonna keep this too. I like the fit, I like the length. Of course, you can wear this with almost anything. Jeans, khakis, really cute, so I'll probably keep that. So it looked like a promising box as far as style, but just seems like everything was just off just a little for different reasons. So I'm gonna look at those shorts and see if I can't make them work. Maybe I can cut the buttonhole a little bit more, I don't know. But if I could get them to work, I will keep those, and then I probably will keep the last two tops. But that is my Wantable box. I really think it's pretty. Oh, and I forgot about the shoes. I will not keep these shoes. They are $30, and the ones I had on are I think they were Target, and they were $3.99. And I'm sure these are made better, but they're not that much. There's not that much difference. But I'd rather have 3 or 4 pairs of $4 flip-flops than 1 pair of $30 ones. So yeah, not gonna do these either. But that's it for my box. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end. Please consider subscribing. And also, I will have a link to Wantable down below. Thank you so much again, and I will see you next time. Bye.